Here we are again with a new organelle that is lysosome. A lysosome is formed by the Golgi apparatus. We have studied in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. There are enzymes which are formed, and these enzymes are further processed and packed in the Golgi apparatus. From the Golgi apparatus, these secretory vesicles are secreted out, and they are called as lysosomes. These lysosomes are pinched out from the Golgi apparatus. The lysosomes are the only organelle present inside the cell which is having the thickest membrane. It is also a lipid bilayer membrane. So, a lysosome contains 50 different hydrolytic enzymes inside it. There are two types of the ribosomes, primary lysosomes and the secondary lysosomes. Primary lysosomes are inactive and they are actually pinned off from the Golgi apparatus. The secondary lysosomes are active and formed by fusion of the primary lysosome with a phagosome or whether it is a endosome. What are the different functions a lysosome is performing? Lysosome is called the garbage system of the cell because it has degrading activity or it is also having the hydrolytic activity. Enzymes called acid hydroxylases are present inside the lysosomes. One of the most important functions of the lysosome is heterophagy and the autophagy. But here are the functions which are also important. That is, these are all the enzymes secreted by the lysosomes. These are proteases which are converting protein into the amino acids, lipases which are converting lipid into fatty acids plus glycerides, and then the nucleases which are converting nucleic acid into mononucleotides, and at the last amylases which are converting polysaccharide into the glucose. Here how the lysosomes are working, their mechanism of lysosomal function, heterophagy and autophagy. Heterophagy means digestion of the material which is present outside the cell. How the outside of the material is digested by the lysosomes? It is actually done through the process that is the endocytosis. It is the process in which the foreign particles comes and attach to the cell membrane, from where it is endocytosed inside. So this is how the extracellular material is digested inside the cell. Number 2 is the autophagy. It is the digestion of the intercellular material which is present inside the cell, whether these are worn-out particles or other digested material. What other functions or what other specific function of a lysosome is performing? It is degrading the macromolecules. The macromolecules are whether these are bacteria or other large molecules when they come in contact with the lysosomes. Likewise, these are actually anchored by the lysosomes and they are forming the autophagosome, whether it is autophagosome or it is endosome. These are then acted upon by the primary lysosomes. The primary lysosomes then make those material into the secondary lysosomes, and once the secondary lysosome is formed by the primary lysosome, this is the autophagosome or the endosome. When it is wrapped out by the primary lysosome, then this is the primary lysosome, then it is forming the secondary lysosome. This secondary lysosome contain the enzyme, but these enzymes are activated when its pH is changed. So when it is engulfed by the primary lysosome, the pH changes and the secondary lysosomal enzymes are activated. These enzymes then digest the material whether it is a bacteria or a foreign particle. This is how the mechanism of degradation acts. Now, these degraded material is processed and then it is transported out through the exocytosis, that is another process which we will discuss later. So, this is the second function of the specific function of the lysosome. These are also the functions of the lysosomes, but these are specific functions. Degradation of the hormonal organelle. As I have told you, the degradation process which is taking place inside the endoplasmic reticulum. In the endoplasmic reticulum, we have studied that the Voronoi particles or the organelles like mitochondria, they are engulfed or wrapped out by what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum and making a autophagosome. This autophagosome is then digested by the lysosomes. Number third is the removal of excess secretory material from the cells. Some of the lysosomes are present in the gland which are secreting different hormones or other substances. When they are in excess, these lysosomes do what? They actually degrade that material which are present in excess. The fourth one function is the secretory function, which is present only in the immune system of the cells. That is whether in the natural killer cells or whether it is present in the mast cells. Natural killer cells also have the hydrolytic enzyme, which is secreting perforin and granzymes. Perforin and granzymes are acting on the viral infected cells and the tumor affected cells, or whether it is a tumor cell. Then these granzymes and perforins, they actually degrade that material and save the rest of the cells